So here at FMI, we make all sorts of different products in the personal care, the cosmetics, and the household industries. We make everything from lotions to shampoos to body sprays to laundry detergent. We make toothpaste, hairsprays, all sorts of different products. So it's very interesting to kind of see all the different varieties of products that we can make here.
The history of FMI, we started the company 25 years ago. It started out over in Easton, Pennsylvania in a 10,000 square foot facility. Since then, we've grown to a 50,000 square foot facility in Allentown. And 5 years ago, we moved into our current 180,000 square foot facility.
My department works with our customers to develop unique products that we make for them. So we will talk with them, we will research about what types of ingredients they want to add, what type of product they want to add, and then we will select those ingredients and create a formulation that we can make that's very unique to them.
Well, the coolest part is when you actually go to the store and you see a product that you know that you were the one that helped pack it.
One of the things that I love the best about working at FMI is it's very fast-paced and dynamic. We get to work with all sorts of different customers from different backgrounds as well as a variety of different products. I also love that it's very hands-on, so we can actually see the product move from the development process all the way through the manufacturing floor to when it's out on the shelves. And that process can be just in a matter of months.
At FMI, the challenges we face is to communicate to the customer all the advantages that we bring and services that we provide.
When we have an issue, we all work together and figure it out. That's the best part.